Good morning, everyone. Cindy Squirrel here. Oh, we had frost last night. I don't know. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try and spray the garden. I'm gonna see if, oh, I can see my pumpkins over there. They, see them? How they're laying down? They got hit bad. They say if you water the garden quickly before the sun hits it, you can save it. Sun hasn't hit all these tomatoes here, so I'm gonna quickly water it. Well, that's all I can do. I'll wash the frost off. That's what my brother-in-law used to do. He'd go out early in the morning and wash them off. Why didn't I cover these last night? Because it was still raining, pouring rain. And everything would be soaked. If I come out here with the blankets at 2 o'clock in the morning, the sheets and blankets would just get wet, and then you would have one great big frozen thing on top of everything. So I took a chance, and like everything, that chance wasn't a very good one. But I'm hoping, because I didn't trim my tomatoes because they're indeterminate, that there's enough leaves on here to protect the tomato itself, and hopefully the whole plant isn't dead. But according to my squash over here, those leaves got her bad. A little droopy. So time will tell. That's all that I can do. Just coming out to let the chickens out, and then notice the ice. Oh, look at that ice. Oh, look how thick that ice is. Oh, let the crying begin.